Okay, let's see what is inside the box. Yep, super simple. We have got the little manual, which, let's be honest, I will probably never read. And then the main event, the LG XBOOM. First impression, man, this thing is thin. It fits right in my hand. Feels solid though, kind of rugged, like it could take a few drops and still keep going. And it's light enough to just throw in the bag without even thinking about it. Check this out, the front has that texture grill with XBOOM stamp across it, like it's screaming, yeah, I may be small, but I'm loud. Up here is the power button and the play skip button. On the other side, there's this red volume wheel, and honestly, it feels really soft. Alright, let's power it on. Boom, connected in like 2 seconds over Bluetooth. No hassle at all. Now here is the crazy part, the sound. For something this small, it's seriously impressive. Vocals are clear, the highs pop, and the bass. I mean, I wasn't expecting that much bass out of this little guy. It actually feels bigger than it is. This is the type of speaker you bring anywhere. Chilling at home, hanging out with friends, and even outside. It's portable, it's tough, and it just works. Battery life so solid too. Plenty hours before you even think about charging. So yeah, no stress about it dying halfway through your playlist. So that is the LG XBOOM, straight out of the box, nothing fancy, just a fun little speaker that is small enough to go anywhere but loud enough to keep the vibe going. Honestly, I'm impressed. If you're enjoying this unboxing, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment if you have tried this XBOOM or thinking of grabbing one, and of course, subscribe for more unboxing and review like this.